booted up, ready for the road. This is gonna be a fun one, boys. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Make sure, if you haven't already, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe. We're starting this one out in some Beamers. I'm in my white E36, Andy's in his blue beige E36. We have Tyler on the other side. Today is the day we've been dreaming for a long time. We're doing a BMW road trip. So we're taking our 3 Beamers, about 3 or 4 hours out to Branson, Missouri. Gonna drive some roads out there in Arkansas. And I think we're gonna have a lot of fun time. I'll tell you more about the story of why I'm taking my white E36 compared to a couple of my other Beamers here in a minute. There's gonna be a lot of flames involved, let me tell you that. Let's hit the road. Tell by now, all 3 of these Beamers are tuned out of their mind, pops, flame, everything. Let me give you a little something. That's just fantastic. I love that. Oh, that got bad. Look at the view, guys. This is our escape, this is our therapy. We are getting out of town, having a relaxing fun, no drift event, just some boys, some BMWs, and a whole lot of Burble tunes. Fingers crossed we don't get in trouble. Oh, quick little pit stop. I needed to put a little bit of air in the front left of this bad boy because this is fresh off an event. So I did a drift event, it sat, I literally just fired it up and went. So the front was at 23 PSI, and that was not enough.
Oh my gosh. This dude is crazy. Oh yeah.
Welcome to day 2, Cars is Holding Together. We're about to go out to Table Rock Lake and do some driving around the lake out there. There are a bunch of curvy roads, and it's a beautiful day. A little warm, so we gotta keep an eye on our temperatures, make sure the cars are holding together. Other than that, we're doing great. I'm gonna make a POV video of this whole driving experience, so that'll be another video. If you wanna check that out, please make sure to go do that on the channel. Beautiful day ahead of us, and we got 3 Beamers. What more can you ask? You know what this means. That's embarrassing. I recently rewired my switch so that way it works on my headlights. So before I had it on a normal switch, and that didn't work that great, and the wiring got messed up. Anyways, long story short, I jumped the fuse so that on that way, I flick the headlight switch on the side, my cooling fan comes on for my radiator. Today's the last day of our little trip. We're taking our way back. However, we're going through some fun mountain roads that Andy found, and doing good. So cars are holding up. Day 3 of our non-stop driving, it seems like. Yesterday we had a great time with the driving on the roads, around the lake and the bridge. Hope you guys enjoyed that GoPro footage. I might do some more GoPro footage here later. If not, I'm just gonna do some clips on our little point and shoot camera and have fun focusing on some driving on these back roads. A little backstory on my E36 here. This thing was my very first drift car. It's been through 25, 26, 27 drift events, just non-stop hammering on this thing. So much limiter. You can go back in my videos and see all the events it's been to. I think I have a video of pretty much every single event, and it's done so fantastic over this time. And like I said, it's straight off 2 events. I did 1 event, parked it, did another event, parked it, and then now I literally just fired it up, drove 3.5 hours one way, beat on it on some of these back roads, and then we're about to go beat on it some more and drive 3.5 hours back. This car does not cease to amaze me of how reliable and special it is. It's just one of those cars, guys, that just has that special factor to it that just doesn't die, that doesn't give you any issues over time. Once you iron out the wrinkles with it, meaning the little stuff that goes wrong at first, once you solve those problems, it's just a great car. It's nothing, it just doesn't let me down. I'm knock on wood, that's just kind of, I don't know, I've really been enjoying it. It's really loud. I wish I had windows, I wish I had door panels, but this thing was never fully built correctly or fully done anything. I literally just slapped some parts on it, that's about it. It is on my list. I got my S13 pretty much done. Tyler's popping. S13's pretty much done. Once I tidy up the S14, E36 is on the build list to get some parts and get treated and really be what it should be. And just like that, guys, we made it back. Oh my goodness, what a trip it was. I hope you guys enjoyed it. The E36 held up fantastically. Funny story, I was doing a little bit over the speed limit on the highway, and next thing I knew, I hear this big whoosh sound at my sunroof. Delete is now gone. That was actually kind of scary. Me and Tyler were booking it, and then right over, gonzo. Never to be seen again. That's right. I'm gonna be redoing this bad boy here soon. A little bit of a cleaner look. Other than that, the 205 Daddy Doug Douglas Performance all season tires from Walmart held up fantastically. All the grip you need in the mountain roads. So this is a full drift setup. We got little angle mods, welded diff. All the cars on the trip had welded differentials, so they're all drift cars, but we did some Togue, and it's kind of the first time we've ever done that, and I really enjoyed it. It was loads and loads of fun. This was so last minute taking this car. Like I said, I was trying to take my Z3, but the E36 never lets me down. It's close to my heart. I really enjoyed it. Never popped the hood on it, never touched anything, fired it up, went every time. Door marks on the side. Shout out to Jake Wise. Andy and Tyler already headed out. We made it back in plenty of time. Today we probably drove 5 or 6 hours down through the mountains and then back here to town, which is about a 3.5 hour drive. So we did a lot of driving in the woods and the mountains, and that was so much fun. I didn't even quite get some shots as much as I wanted to. However, it was such a blast, and we're definitely gonna be back. Maybe taking a couple other cars next time. It was fun though. It was a drift. It wasn't drifting, but it was Togue or grip driving that we haven't really done that much of. Alright guys, that is gonna do it for this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next video.
That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? Ay, coming down like precipitation. I ain't never